sorry. It was an accident.
What happened, Luna?
See, Mappy, what Jerry did to my painting.
Don't worry, Luna. We can recreate this painting on the computer, where it won't get ruined by water and you can save it forever.
How is that possible, Mappy?
Follow me, Luna and Jerry. MS Paint is a graphic program used to draw and color pictures. It is used to create, edit, and print pictures. First, let's start with MS Paint. Click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Then type Paint in the search bar and hit Enter.
What are these icons and this white area in Paint?
In this Paint window, you see a canvas to draw on, tools to perform the required task, a brush to paint, and shapes to make. You can make art and have fun.
Can we draw anything we want, Mappy?
Yeah. Can we make cartoons?
Absolutely. MS Paint allows you to draw anything your imagination desires. You can create cartoons, landscapes, portraits, and much more. Let me show you how. Look, this is MS Paint. First, we select shapes. Selecting the shape like a circle or square in MS Paint helps draw things neat and perfect. You can make cool pictures using different shapes. To draw shapes, click on the desired shape from the Shapes tool. Let's start with a rectangle. The rounded rectangle is a rectangle with curved corners. With the oval tool, we can make perfect circles. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a circle. A straight line can be drawn by using the Line tool. The Curve tool is used to draw curved shapes. Now, let's paint with brushes. Select the Brush tool, choose a size, and start painting. To fill shapes, we use the Fill with Color tool. Select the shape, then choose a color from the color palette. The Color Picker tool is used to pick a color from an existing picture and use it to color the other picture. For doodles and sketches, we use the Pencil tool. Just draw freely on the canvas. The Selection tool lets us choose parts of our picture. Click and drag to select a portion of the drawing. The Rectangular Selection tool in MS Paint is a very useful tool. Like magic, you can use it to draw a square or rectangle around something you want to move or change. The Freeform Selection tool is like a magic wand. Instead of drawing a square or rectangle, you can draw any shape you want around something. This is a magnifier tool. It helps you zoom in and out to get a closer or wider view of your drawing. Made a mistake? No worries. We erase with the Eraser tool. Select the Eraser tool, then click and drag over the area you want to erase. Once done, we can set our drawing as a background. Go to the File menu. Choose Set as Desktop Background and see how cool it looks. Remember to save your work. Go to the File menu, select Save As, choose a location and give your file a name. You can always open it later by clicking Open. There you go, Luna and Jerry. Now you know how to use MS Paint like a pro.
Okay, Mappy. Thank you for such interesting information. Let me practice on it now.